Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the lock screen shortcut in this device. First of all, open the lock screen. Now you can see the shortcut on the lock screen. You can see here on the left tab you can see the flashlight and the right tab you can see the camera. So let me show you how to change this one. For this, open the lock screen and press and hold the lock screen. Tap on customize. Tap on lock screen. Here you can see if you want to delete this shortcut from the lock screen, just tap on the minus button. If you want to add any other shortcut, just tap on the plus button, and from here you can easily select the shortcut that you want to add to the lock screen. Okay, so simply here I am going to select the option aeroplane mode, and the next one here I am going to select the option cellular data. You can see after edit this one, tap on done on the top right side. That's it. Now you can see this is the lock screen. The lock screen shortcut is changed. Mobile data and the aeroplane mode instead of the flashlight and the camera. So simply in this way you can change the lock screen shortcut in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.